Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you some amazing macrame leaves. Now the things that you need to make this are you need some wool. I have used this colored wool, as you can see it's lying here, and I've made this beautiful leaf. Now let me show you, see how amazing it looks. And this leaf I have put with a cardboard base behind so that it remains stiff and stands. Alright, and I've also used some stick to hang it. Now I'm going to make and show you. So what else do we need? We need a stick, as I showed you, and we need a string of wool. This wool is 25 centimeters when it is folded. That means 50 centimeters long. And I've put a tape and I've folded it and kept it. So now the string is 25 centimeters. You can also see I've cut 35 small pieces of strand of wool, and this strand, single strand, is 20 centimeters long. So 35 pieces of 20 centimeters and one folded piece of 25 centimeter. Alright, so let's begin with our 20 centimeter of folded wool. So we are going to begin. Now how to make this macrame leaf? We are going to fold two strands of wool. So it's become half the size now. Now one side we are going to put below this string, and the second one, remember to put the tape so that it does not move. And this one we will put from top. So it looks like this. After this, these two pieces I'm going to put inside this, and this two pieces I will put inside this loop, and then I'm just going to pull. Now if I want it wherever I want it, I'm going to take it till there. Alright, so it's quite simple. Let me teach you again. Folded wool, put it below, and this side folded wool, this I will put on top, and then from inside and this side I will also put it inside and then pull. Now we can put it up, pull it properly, tighten it. Alright, so let's do some more. Let me show you some more. So this is below the loop and this loop is above. Inside this and this side, inside this, and then pull. Once again we will see below and above. Put it inside this, and this one will be here. Pull. So this is what it looks like. It's looking like more or less like a butterfly. And after this we have to complete this entire 35 pieces. We have to complete it, and then it'll give this look. As you can see, friends, now I have completed this entire thing. I finished making it. I somehow didn't like it when I put 35 strands, so I've added a few more. Alright, so now we have to comb it. Just comb it. If your wool is very thick, then these strands will open, and if your wool is not very thick, like mine is not very thick, so the strands have just been placed properly. Now it is getting ready to cut. You can see this is a leaf shape and this is not coming in a leaf shape. So I'm just combing it so that I can cut it. Now I will start cutting it. Now I'm giving it shape of a leaf. Let's cut it some more. I'm removing this extra. You can again comb it and check it whether it's okay or not. And if you feel some strands are not okay, then you can cut it again. You can see some strands have become big here, so I am going to trim this also. Alright, now it's up to you whether you want to hang it like this only. I want to put a piece of paper, so I'll put my cardboard. I wanted a cardboard, so I'm going to put a cardboard behind it. If you don't want to put, you don't need to put. If you don't have a thin cardboard, my cardboard, as you can see, this texture is very, very thin. So if you don't have this, you can use a chart paper also. So I'm going to start sticking this. I'm going to stick my leaf on it. I put my fairy stick now. Now I'm going to just place my leaf on top of it. Be very careful. You should not place the handle because this is what is going to hang. And now I'm going to comb it so that it sticks properly. So you can see this. I've stuck my leaf. Now I'm going to cut it out. All the extra edges also you can cut out. Be very careful. We don't want to cut out the thread. Lift the thread. Give it a shape and then cut it out. I'm combing it once again. I want to just spread out the threads very nicely on my leaf. And I can place this leaf also inside this. Now you can see my two leaves are hanging. Similarly, I will do with the